Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake 2026 stands as one of the most brutal and breathtaking performance trucks ever built. And if you are watching this on Nitro Garage, you already know we do not cover ordinary machines. This is not just a pickup truck. This is a statement, a rolling declaration of American muscle, engineering excellence, and raw, unbridled power that very few vehicles on the planet can match. The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake carries forward the legendary Shelby name with even more aggression and refinement than ever before. Under that wide sculpted hood lies a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that has been massaged, breathed on, and pushed to deliver a staggering 775 horsepower straight from the factory. That number is not a typo. 775 horses sitting inside a full-size pickup truck that you can drive to the grocery store on a Tuesday morning and to the drag strip on a Saturday afternoon. The Shelby American team has spent countless hours fine-tuning every single component of this powertrain to ensure that the power delivery is not just massive, but also controllable, linear, and deeply satisfying every single time you press that accelerator to the floor. The exterior of the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is impossible to ignore and impossible to forget. The wide-body aero kit adds dramatic flared fenders that give the truck an incredibly planted and muscular stance on the road. The signature Shelby dual racing stripes run the full length of the vehicle from the front splitter all the way to the tailgate, available in multiple color combinations, but looking absolutely stunning in the classic white, with bold blue stripes that you see right here on Nitro Garage today. The custom Shelby grille up front with the iconic snake badge tells everyone exactly what they are dealing with before you even hear the exhaust note. Speaking of which, the quad exhaust system on this truck produces a sound that is nothing short of spine-tingling, a deep, thunderous rumble at idle that transforms into a screaming, supercharged roar when you open it up completely. The chrome multi-spoke wheels are massive and perfectly fill those wide body arches, wrapped in performance rubber that keeps all that power connected to the road. The red painted Brembo brake calipers peeking through those chrome wheels are not just for show. They are a fully functional high-performance braking system designed to haul this beast down from triple-digit speeds with confidence and precision. Step inside the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake, and the luxury does not stop at the door. The cabin is wrapped in premium Shelby branded leather sport seats with the iconic snake logo embroidered into the headrests. Blue ambient lighting runs along the dashboard and door panels, creating an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury sports car than a pickup truck. The flat-bottom steering wheel with the Shelby Center badge puts you in the right mindset the moment you sit down. The large touchscreen infotainment system, custom performance gauges, carbon fiber trim accents, and polished aluminum pedals all come together to create an interior that is as impressive as the performance numbers suggest. The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is not a truck that was built to be practical, although it absolutely can serve that purpose. It was built to be extraordinary. It was built to turn heads, drop jaws, and remind the world that American performance truck culture is alive, thriving, and pushing boundaries that nobody thought possible just a few years ago. Shelby American has once again proven that they are the masters of taking something already great and transforming it into something completely legendary. Here at Nitro Garage, we are proud to bring you coverage of machines like the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake, because this is exactly the kind of automotive greatness that our community lives and breathes every single day.